Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes.
And I'm Tom Vogelzang with the Anderson Financial Group.
And Tom and I have helped a lot of veterans become homeowners using their home loan guarantee benefit sponsored by the VA. And Tom, it's my experience that it can be kind of more of a detailed loan process than a regular FHA or conventional program. Can you talk to us about that?
Sure. The beginning stages are the same as any loan. You're going to want to have a conversation with a trusted lender. You're going to want to find out your goals. You're going to want to find out what your credit scores and your income are, and you're going to want to make sure that what you're purchasing is what you should be purchasing. But it's a couple more steps than that in the beginning process. And the first is we're going to receive a form from you. It's called a DD-214.
Tell us a little bit about that.
If you're a veteran, you probably already know what a DD-214 is, but it's essentially the history in the time that you spent in the military. We are going to take that form and have you sign an authorization, and that's going to allow us to request what's called a COE, or a Certificate of Eligibility. The eligibility tells us whether or not you can or cannot purchase a veteran's loan. It tells us whether or not you have any entitlement left with the VA.
Okay, and the entitlement, does that basically allow you to buy a home with no money down?
Correct, yep. So the entitlement is basically the insurance that you receive that guarantees the loan. And allows a veteran to 100% financing. That is part of the home loan guarantee benefit.
Okay, great. So you've done your homework, you've ran the credit, you've taken a look at their income, you have their certificate of eligibility and their entitlement. Then what happens?
We're going to call you back. We're going to tell you what we found. We're going to inform you of what is going on. And then we're going to go over the pre-approval with you. And after that conversation, we are then going to pass you along back to Kurt, and
Okay.
He's going to help you look for your home, the home of your dreams for you and your family.
All right. So once we find that home, we'll go ahead and write an offer on that home. And we'll also negotiate that they help with what's called your prepaids and closing costs. And Tom will go over that with you in detail with your particular situation. And then let's assume that we have an accepted contract. Then what happens?
That's where we'll really take over from there. We're going to ask you for a few more things, such as taxes, W-2s, pay stubs, things of that nature. That's when we really get the long list of stuff. When you hear about the paperwork needed for a loan, that's where this is going to come in. We're going to help you gather that. We're going to put that all together for you, and we are going to order an appraisal. We're going to work on an inspection with you, and essentially we're going to get everything going. And then 35 to 45 days later, you're going to be a homeowner, and you're going to be in the house of your dreams and living in wonderful Illinois.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Tom. Again, it's Kurt Clements with Insider Show Homes.
Tom Vogelzang with the Anderson Financial Group.
If you know of anybody looking to buy a home, sell a home, or invest in real estate, please don't hesitate to reach out to either of us. We'd be more than happy to help you as well.